transitions, which are very easy to use. This is a free program by YouTube. So you can actually use this for free. You don't have to buy any enhanced software. And the best thing is it auto generates captions. You've got music in there. You've got animation. You can even, to an extent, I tested it, cut yourself. YouTube Create. What is it all about? They've given us a new app. It's actually a free editing app and you can use it on your mobile phones. So I've got a number of phones that I've been using over the just to see what happens. I'm going to give you a guide of how to use the YouTube Create app. I'm going to actually do a live. You'll see it on screen as I walk through it. The main bits that we use, is it any good? At the end of the clip, I'll put what I made using this. So let's get straight into this. See here, the actual Create app. How do you get it? Go to App Store and in the App Store, search for YouTube Create. It'll be a funny logo. You're not used to seeing it, but it'll be by Google LLC, YouTube Create. It looks exactly like this. Install it, takes a few minutes and then open the app. I'm going to go through each step, how I edited a quick little short clip of me going fishing. And it's as simple as when you open the app, you can bring in your clips, you can bring in video, you can bring in photos. So you select from your camera roll, bring in the photos that you want to bring in. Once you've got those photos into the app or the videos, first thing that it will do is when it brings in the videos, it converts the videos into its format. So far I was only able to do 1080p video. You'll see here a short clip of me catching a perch fish when I went fishing. So I can go into that and easily use the main tools that we need to use. What are the main tools? First, editing, cropping, adjusting. You can pinch and zoom in. You can cut the clip to make it short, to get rid of the start, the ending. And then I just looked through the clip. I played through the clip. It's got an easy play pause button. It's got a clip cut on one side. It's got a delete clip on the other side. And then you can go in and add a picture within a picture. So if you want to add an item over that, for example, I caught an additional image and zoomed in, pinched in, and that shows the fish that I caught. So all I'm doing here is I'm using this to see if will it be any good. You've got effects, you've got transitions, which are very easy to use. This is a free program by YouTube. So you can actually use this for free. You don't have to buy any enhanced software. And the best thing is it auto generates captions. You've got music in there. You've got animation. You can even, to an extent, I tested it, cut yourself out from a video clip. So that's quite an amazing option. So if anything, it will get better over time. You'll see I'm going through the clip right now. I've got split, I've got filters, I've got effects, I've got adjust. You can adjust the exposure. The main things I use is I bring the clip in, I trim the clip down. That's one thing that was very easy to do. I then go in and then sometimes I'll add a filter, sometimes I won't. These days, I normally just keep my videos as they are for a number of channels I create for. So you've got a number of filters on there: pop, soft, lure, copper, dream, dusk, all sorts of filters in there, which you can check on the app. But jumping ahead a little bit, let's go into the main. You can mute the volume of the clip and you can add your own music in there. You can add additional clips in there. Captions was a good one. Auto generate captions for you, and also add in memes, extra little things on top of you if that's your cup of tea. I tested it. I thought, you know what, why not? Overlay, stickers, text, and memes. You can adjust them, and then you can search for music. So like fishing music I searched for. I brought that in. Took a little while to import the music in as a background music. Added that in. Added an extra photo at the start. You can easily drag and drop things in different orders, and added a bit of text on there, like on fishing, like a title type situation, a little bit of animation, added in some extra memes. Overall, you know what, it did everything well. I might do a full tutorial on this if you want me to, but based on if you're intuitive and you're using a editing software on your app already, everything is here and it's where you expect it to be. I used to use UCut, which was okay. The only thing about this was I wasn't able to export in 4K, which is a bit of a bummer, only 1080p, but I'm sure that might be something that comes along. You'll see as you work through it, it's like importing. You can add stuff in, you can export stuff out. The main things I talked about here is what I use. So aspect ratios, you can adjust it from like a square to Instagram or whatever. Ideally, all this stuff you want to keep on YouTube because the music they give you is licensed to use on YouTube only. Exporting, depending on your phone's quality, it exports the video, it saves it onto your phone, as well as you can automatically select upload to YouTube, and it actually uploads to your YouTube account straight away, and you can just fill in the details you need. Overall, I'm happy with it. It worked well. I did a quick edit. I'll add at the end of this clip the video clip that I edited using the app, so you can see the types of stuff you can do. Nothing too fancy. I didn't spend much time on it. I just wanted to see what it's like. But if you want to see a full version of this, definitely let me know. I'll make a full tutorial if you want me to, and then that would help you. I'll link you to another video here about editing softwares, and thank you for watching this episode. I'll see you in the next one.